Okay, I'm running out of time daylight wise, so I'm not going to go all into it if it's a bad job. I am hoping it's just like a couple of cornflakes or whatever, but let's give it a go. It's alright. Open them up. Of course I'd have them all tied up. Maybe not. Shall burn it off. It can come out. Okay. So they're bendy, that is true. Firstly with that, just a bit of plastic, and then with that. Failing that, I'm going to leave it till tomorrow. Okay, so I've set them two up, ready, and I bought a spare one in case I need to go a teeny bit longer and I'm not too scared to do it. Shoes on. Okay, firstly, I need to get out the obvious. Here we go. Oh, please be like really easy. Clockwise. What's clockwise? I'm panicking. I'm scared. I'm scared what it's going to find. None of the videos found anything. Oh, this isn't a bit of me. Nothing's happening. That's all solid. Right, the hole drops there. And yeah, I can feel loads of... It's not concrete like here. So, twist. And it should... There's obviously going to be quite a bit, but I'm hoping it's only going to be like this. Twist, clockwise, always clockwise, anti-clockwise. You're going to unscrew that on the bottom. Oh, I've got a big rat just like comes out screaming. Yeah, there's going to be a lot here, isn't there? Not even like going down a little bit yet. How long do these professionals take? Because it's going to take me. It's a leaf. Come on, at least go down a little bit. Oh, look. Yeah, that might have done it. Ooh, what else? Oh, drop this shit back in. Drop the gunk back in. I mean, at least stuff is coming out. We've just got to get, oh, look at all that. We've just got to get to a level where it actually bloody does something. And then there should be like a main drain. Where's mine? I'm sure it was like here. Come on. Getting out really tiny bits of debris. Bear with, I'm going to use 2 hands. And then just give the plunger a try. That's what it's for, right? I'm so scared. This plunging bit is the bit where it can fire up back in your face. Nothing's happening. It's not even going down, is it? So the one thing I haven't got that the professionals have, they pour something in there, a chemical, to break it up, and I obviously don't have that. I am just relying on this. If I could get rid of that water and see what's going on. Now, some of them got cups and buckets and emptied it, but I don't know if that might freak me out a bit much. I'm not sure. Let's go back to this one. I can't even figure out where the underground hole is for it. Got a clue what I'm doing, have I? Nope. I need to get a move on before it gets dark. Went back to this one, it's gone down slightly. I'm heading in the right direction, it's moving. Then I can see, I can't do it with one hand though, I'm not strong enough to get it back out. But then I'm going to be able to see what's there, so it's going down. It's going down. Oh, whoa. Back up. Oh, whoa. I'm simply the best. But it's not done though, is it? And that doesn't fit. Of course I would have one that's not on YouTube. Of course mine is going to be different. What are we looking at down there then? Where does it go from there? What's occurring? Which way does it go? There's no hole. Is this the problem? There's no hole. There's no hole all the way around. So apart from spillover, where exactly is this meant to go? There is nothing there. Is that it done then? Is it meant to be like, no, it can't be, it's got to go somewhere. This isn't making any sense. Why couldn't it look the exact same? It's frustrating me because common sense is there has to be a hole there, right? It can't just be like a bucket. Well, I've done that much for the time being, so aggravating, it's not really doing a lot. Look at the spillage. So I'm going to clean this up. See if I can remember where the bloody drain was. I expect mine will be in a completely different barrow. Not like on YouTube. New drain. I'm sure I used to see a drain here. What am I using to clean it up? Everything seems to have just gone really crap. Is it here? Anyway, I'm going to go and bring some water down there and get this cleaned up, and then I'll get back to you. much of it away as possible. Look, it's all the concrete is corroding. The cement. See all that coming off and going inside? It's filling up. I think I've done it. Yeah, it's going down, look. It's going down. Bravo. Need something covering it though, to be honest. Probably gonna need to be all done good and proper for the summer. It looks pretty bloody toxic. Problem solved. No issues. Thank goodness. Right, be back when it's all clean. Okay, so it's not going to be like a pretty clean up. If you go and follow me on TikTok, English Rose, you'll see last year how I did clean all this up, but for now it is just to clean up to get rid of the smell and the toxic. The dogs to come back out here, so I'm having to take them out the front because they couldn't walk through this part. Now they can. Now they can just come back out freely again. Okay. Have them clean carpets. I do not want this wall to free. Much better. Like I say, I'm a bit worn out, so the problem is solved, and that will all get bagged up tomorrow. That little bit there. That's this thing. It's so messy. This garden is too difficult to maintain it. Grass grows back different every year. I've had a rotavator on it. I've done it all. So don't judge. It would all need literally ripping up, digging up. This house has had no maintenance on it since the day it was built. I don't know how long ago. All this will get a clean up when the weather gets a bit nicer. I'll get a jet wash on it and it all comes up quite lovely. But when I moved in about 8 years ago, this was nowhere near this bad, and the driveway as well. The whole house is subsiding. This drain has got a life of its own completely. Right. Yeah, that's what happens during the winter with dogs. Every year looks like it's never been cleaned, but it has. Please believe me when I say it has. Some jobs just require extra maintenance, so that was cleaned. It's all like quite relaxing here because I like this bit. The garden is so big. On a summer's evening, you just come and sit out on this bit by the back door. All the way around the house like that, and you feel like you're far away. You feel like you're sitting in the park, and you're not. Right, let's get rid of some of the water out of this one. Push that out the way, because the dogs are still gonna, you can guarantee they'll find the one bit I didn't do. So that's going in the corner there till tomorrow because I'm hungry and it's getting dark. Right, I want this to dry ASAP for them to come out. after they've had their dinner. It might not be tonight, but by the looks of it. We'll see. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, save self £150 with a plumber and invest in these little babies that cost me £15 in Argos. They stay there now. Boots and coat. I was putting them in the wash anyway, so that's where I wore them. Anyone can do it. You're welcome. Okay, and goes on.
It means that in many ways he's still a donor. The advisor helping the patient get around to either energy dose. Got him.
Just pour a bit of bleach down. There we go, roughly. Now just to make everything smell nice, just to finish it all off. Dogs are out, they're upstairs on their beds. We're going to go and watch a movie before making food. So I'm going to just so it doesn't dry with that damp smell.